Based on a Braj language epic poem about the life of a king from the Chahamana dynasty, Samrat Prithviraj marks the inspiring life of Prithviraj Chauhan, the last Hindu ruler of Delhi. Akshay Kumar plays the pivotal role of Prithviraj Chauhan, whereas Miss World 2017 pageant Manushi Chillar makes her debut in Bollywood industry.
एक राजकुमार की वीरता की कहानियां सुन सुनकर सपने बुन लिए थे.
The film features Sanjay Dutt, Sonu Sood, Manav Vij, Ashutosh Rana, Manoj Joshi and Sakshi Tanwar in supporting roles. An official motion poster of this film was released by Yashraj Films on 9 September 2019, revealing its release in cinemas on Diwali 2020. Principal photography began in Jaipur on 15 November 2019 but was suspended in March 2020 owing to COVID-19 pandemic in India, due to which the film was indefinitely postponed. The film's shoot resumed in October 2020 at YRF Studios, originally titled Prithviraj. The film was renamed as Samrat Prithviraj following a court litigation a week ahead of its scheduled release. The film was released on 3rd June 2022 in 2D and IMAX formats.
कोई पृथ्वी को चुनौती दे, मेरे हाथों मरेगा, ये प्रण है मेरा.
The trailer looks great, with great attention to the sets, costumes, war action, romance, drama, all rolled into one.
सुल्तान से कहना कि अगर वे युद्ध चाहते हैं तो मैं तैयार हूं.
Under the direction of Dr. Chandra Prakash Dwivedi, the film depicts the bravery and courage of King Prithviraj Chauhan, where his victory over ruler of Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori, is shown. Princess Sayogita, who is very influenced with the qualities of Prithviraj, falls in love with him. However, Sayogita's father, Jayachand, doesn't support their love. He wants his daughter to marry with Rajasuya Yagya in order to increase his empire. To convince Prithviraj, Jayachand promises him to give 50% of control in Delhi. Prithviraj rejects the offer and somehow manages to take Sayogita with him, after which they organize a Swayamvar and live together happily.
मेरे आपके हक बराबर, मेरे आपके फर्ज बराबर, मेरा आपका स्थान बराबर.
Prithviraj offers to give equal control to Sayogita in his empire, to which the Darbar members disagree in the beginning. Prithviraj then emphasizes the role of women in society to his Darbar members, after which they agree to him. The music reins are in the hands of the extremely talented trio Shankar Ehsaan Loy. The film received mixed responses from critics. It was made on a reported budget between 150 crore to 300 crore rupees. It received a worldwide gross collection of 84.86 crore rupees as of 16th June 2022. The earnings from the early days did not meet the expectations. It followed by cancellations of the shows due to zero occupancy, led to a major box office disaster. That's all for today. Meet you in another episode of Popcorn. Till then, stay tuned.